Hey everyone, so let's do an unboxing and quick look here of the Hydroaquarium hydroponic planter with aquarium in it. This is from Walmart. I think it was like 11 or 12 bucks. And we can see it has planting media. It has a planter pod, half-gallon aquarium, which it is saying is good for 1 to 2 fish. That is not true. I would not put any fish in a half-gallon aquarium myself, especially not 2 of them. You end up with dead fish. Then feeder hole access. Taking it out of the box, this is what you're greeted with. A small plastic tank, if you will. Here is the media. Quite a few of them actually, and rocks. And a spot here for the plant. Here's your little feeder hole, that's what they're talking about. And you have grates here for, I guess, so your fish can breathe if you have a beta. If you were to put a quart beta in here, again, this is only half a gallon. This is, of course, just plastic. It's just a very cheap little plastic tank. The kit includes the smooth stones along with the natural lava stones as well. And it does say these might float in the water once you put them in there. And you are supposed to pretty much take your plant, put them into here if you're rinsing off the roots of it and stuff, put it in there, and then you put in these stones on top of it. And of course, if you want, you can buy for extra cost substrate for the bottom of this tiny little thing as well. As far as fish and plants go, these are what they recommend. Brazilian sword, bamboo, peace lily, or herbs such as those. I don't know about plants, so I don't know if those are good for this thing or not. But I do know goldfish, guppy, and mallees are not going to be good for a tank like this. They just are way too active of fish. This is only half a gallon, and not even when you take that middle part away from this. And those fish will end up pretty much dead within probably a week or two. There's no heater in here. There's no filter in here, an actual filter in here. This would be terrible for them. Maybe a mothball, something like that. Maybe some plants coming out of this, which is what I was thinking about doing. Some herbs, like it says. Trying to do something like that. And just have some water in the bottom with maybe like a moss ball and some gravel. That may look pretty cool. But yeah, this is not a tank I would recommend for actual fish. Half a gallon is not big enough for pretty much anything. And again, it's not even half a gallon because you have this middle part here that goes into the usable part of the tank. The quote-unquote usable. But you guys already know what you think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.